got your stick for you.
Oh, thank you. Sweet.
No
No fuzz. Hey, Fuzzball. Oh, you're so nice and warm from laying in the sun, Fuzzy. Is there anyone else at home? Ah, Fuzz, Cuddlebug. You weren't in bed with me last night, Fuzzball. You weren't in bed with me last night. Is your dad at home, or your brothers, or your sisters in the garage? Anyone else here? Is there anyone else here? So cute. Anyone else at home? No. Everyone else in the garage, just you, Fuzzy. Rolling around like the nutter you are, Fuzzball. Yes, okay.
Grab a stick at your spit. Your spit is the one we have to grab it. Grab. You have to do it to the cat wall.
What?
Follow me.
Hey,
Walk
G.
where I am. Mum, walk where I am.
Hey.
Squeak.
Hey. Yes?
Look at my car. It's called a monster car.
That's brilliant.
Isn't
Okay.
trying to shoot a tornado.
Excuse me, I'm you. That's
Well,
brilliant,
go
Echo.
Squeaky.
Hmm?
Squeak. Oh, yeah.
Where? Oh, hello, Sneaky. Hello, Squeak. Hey, Squeaky. You're so tiny still. Hey, you're such a cute little Bengal. You're so playful, aren't you, hey? Are you so playful?
That's why I love squeaking.
Squeakaroo. Look at you. What are you doing? Are you so cute? Are you so cute? Yeah, you are. Are you so cute? What's this? Squeaky. What's that? What's that, Squeaks? Hey? Hey, Squeaky? What are you doing? Hello. Hey, Squeaky. Hey, Squeakies. Oh, little mini Bengal, aren't you?
Doesn't like being stroked on the tummy, Mum.
Does he?
Yeah.
You're a weird one, aren't you, Squeak? You love attention and then don't love attention. You are very much a normal cat when it's up to you. Hey? Well, I have got a giant stick in your hand, to be fair, Echo. Hey, Squeaks. Hey, Squeakies. Are you beautiful? You got beautiful markings. And you're so little. You're so little. Still. Hey? You little mini? Are you a little mini cat?
Every kitten that looks like Yak, Mum.
Yeah.
It's the same colour, Mum. So yeah, all a part of the family. Yak must have been the uncle of Yam.
Maybe. Is it nice, sweet laying in the sun? A heck.
I'm sorry, I'm so sorry. Put my tool like that minute.
Yeah. I like to scare him.
Hey, look, it's fun. I'm gonna go stroke him.
Okay. Not with a giant stick in your hand, though. You'll scare them. Hey, Squeakaroo. Giant sticks are scary, right? Yes, they are.
What was I meant to be doing?
He's now about to play with Squeak. Hey, Fuzz.
Well, Mum, first distract yourself across the floor, Mum.
Yeah.
Now we're just playing with grass.
Grass. Are you having a stroke, Squeakaroo? Are you going to pounce on your brother? Hey? Hey, Fuzzy? Hey, Fuzzball. You are the friendliest cat ever, aren't you? Yes. Are you going to bite me now and scratch me? Phew, that would not be cool. Are you a good boy? Are you a good boy?
Well, Mum,
Yeah.
let's go on a bug hunt.
Squeaky, squeaky.
Let's go on a bug hunt, Mum. We're out the chart for me.
I wonder where Tyler is.
Yeah, I saw her earlier, Mum.
Are they now about to scrap? What are they doing? What are you doing, guys?
Let's go for a bug hunt.
Hold on. Let's see what they're about to do. Sniff his butt, lovely. Very nice. That's what they're going to do, sniff each other's butts, Echo. Eat grass and sniff butts. That's not quite what I thought they were going to do. It's not quite as cute as what I thought they were going to do.
He just did yes, Mum. He just did yeah, Mum.
Did he?
Yeah.
Well, I thought they were going to play and be silly. But no. Sniff butts. Lovely. Hey, Squeaks. Hold on, Nicky. Hey, Squeak. Hey, Squeakies. Hey. Hi. We'll have bug hunting in a bit, Ecky. Okay? Hey, Squeakies. Hey, Squeaky.
Hey, Mum, guess where I found this band? Hey, Mum, look, it's Tala.
Is it? Where? Oh, hey, Tyler
I
Boo.
found my bamboo.
There's Fuzz.
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 Bamboo lady.
Squeak. Bamboo Lady. Tyler Boo.
Yeah.
Hey, Squeak. Where's your sister? There's your sister.
Mum, my idea was
Hey, Tyler.
I'm gonna go to the jungle. You go like you come to me.
Hello. Meow. I know. Hello. Gorgeous girl. Are you sunning yourself?
Guess where I found this bamboo, Mum?
Where?
Here.
Did you?
Yeah. That's all of the place
Hey,
where the
Tyler
bamboo
Boo.
lives.
Are you getting some